Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutor Susan. Today I will be showing you how two numbers can be added in C program. And number one, we should clear the screen, and after that we need to save the file and give the name XZ. I'm giving the name XZ, and after that we need to type the code. See, at my computer screen I am writing course. You can see there I'm open the curly brackets over there. 3 integer name A, V and sum is declared over there. You can see here at my computer screen, and I am declaring the value of A. Finished writing the course, so now we need to run this program. To run this program, see, we need to click on build and run option. So look at here what its result comes. Look at here, the sum is 11. Look at here. Oh sorry, absolutely sorry. See, the sum is 11 over here. We have finished our program. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share, and especially don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tutor Susan. Thank you very much.